Today we're gonna look at this bad boy. It is a Bulldozer, 6 channel. Huina toys from Gear, ordered from Gear Best. So got LEDs on it. Seems like I got some die cast bucket. Okay. Yeah. Different features. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. That is a remote up and down. Yeah, it feels very clicky, so not the best kind for sure. Strong power, up, down, okay. And need 2 AA batteries. Okay. Here. Oh, okay. Probably shouldn't do it this way. Yeah, it is falling off. Okay. Okay, that's seems like a battery charger. USB type. So bucket. Wheels, no suspension whatsoever. And here's on off switch, and the battery must be inside here. Yep, that's it. You got a 400 milliamp. Okay, maybe it comes with some power. Let's see if it comes with anything here. Just okay, pretty secure. And anything happened yet? Nothing. Yeah, maybe there's no power on it. Okay, let's give it a charge. Oh, okay. Okay, so it only lights up when you... Okay. So here you can see this is left, right. I'm to turn forward, I can go forward, face, back, steering, and up. And this is done. Okay, that's it. Pretty fun. Okay, let's dig some snows now.